Embarking on the journey towards financial stability and wealth accumulation is akin to scaling a mountain. The initial steps are often the most challenging, with steep inclines and rugged terrain to navigate. In the realm of personal finance, achieving the first $100,000 can feel like reaching the summit of that mountain, a daunting feat requiring determination, discipline, and perseverance. However, once you've conquered that initial hurdle, subsequent milestones seem within closer reach. In this video, we'll explore in detail the reasons why the journey to financial success is characterized by the difficulty of achieving the first $100,000 contrasted with the relative ease of reaching subsequent milestones. Imagine standing at the base of a mountain with nothing but a map and a determination to reach the summit. Similarly, when beginning the journey towards financial stability, many individuals find themselves starting from scratch, with limited resources, knowledge, and experience. The path ahead seems daunting, and the prospect of accumulating $100,000 can appear insurmountable. However, just as every step brings you closer to the mountaintop, every financial decision made with foresight and discipline contributes to the accumulation of wealth. Starting from scratch requires laying the groundwork for financial success, which involves setting clear goals, creating a budget, and establishing good financial habits. It may also require addressing existing debts and liabilities, which can impede progress towards the $100,000 milestone. Overcoming these initial obstacles demands patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. As the ascent begins, one quickly realizes that scaling a mountain requires more than physical strength. It demands skill, strategy, and adaptability. Similarly, the journey to financial success involves navigating a steep learning curve. Managing expenses, budgeting effectively, and investing wisely are skills that must be learned and refined over time. The process can be challenging, filled with trial and error, but each lesson brings you closer to mastery and eventual success. The learning curve in personal finance encompasses various aspects, including understanding financial markets, evaluating investment opportunities, and managing risk. Additionally, individuals may need to develop soft skills such as negotiation, communication, and leadership to enhance their earning potential and career prospects. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning and improvement is essential for overcoming the challenges posed by this learning curve. Midway up the mountain, trepidation sets in. Fear of the unknown and the risk of failure can paralyze even the most determined climbers. Similarly, in the realm of personal finance, early-stage wealth accumulation is often hindered by risk aversion. Individuals may be hesitant to invest aggressively or pursue entrepreneurial ventures, preferring the safety of familiar paths. Overcoming this fear and embracing calculated risks is essential for progress. A leap of faith that can propel you closer to your financial goals. Overcoming risk aversion involves striking a balance between caution and ambition. While it's essential to mitigate potential risks, overly conservative strategies can limit growth opportunities and hinder progress towards financial milestones. Developing a risk management framework, conducting thorough research, and seeking advice from financial professionals can help individuals navigate the complexities of investment decisions and entrepreneurial ventures. As the ascent continues, the landscape begins to change. The air feels lighter, and the horizon expands as you gain altitude. Similarly, with each step forward in your career or business endeavors, your earning potential increases. With higher income levels, saving and investing larger sums of money become feasible, accelerating your progress towards financial milestones. The journey becomes less arduous as you ascend the income ladder, propelled by the momentum of your efforts. Income growth plays a crucial role in wealth accumulation, providing individuals with the financial resources necessary to achieve their goals. Advancing in one's career, pursuing higher education or certifications, and exploring entrepreneurial opportunities are all avenues for increasing income potential. Additionally, negotiating competitive salaries, seeking promotions, and diversifying income streams can further boost earnings and expedite progress towards financial milestones. Near the summit, the terrain levels off, and a sense of anticipation builds. Similarly, as your savings grow, the power of compound interest comes into play. Once you've accumulated $100,000, your investments can generate substantial returns, further fueling your wealth accumulation through compounding. The snowball effect takes hold, with each dollar earning its own momentum, propelling you towards greater financial heights. Compound interest is a fundamental concept in finance, representing the exponential growth of an investment over time. By reinvesting earnings and allowing returns to compound, individuals can harness the full potential of their savings and investments. Starting early and staying consistent with contributions are key strategies for maximizing the benefits of compound interest and accelerating progress towards financial goals. At the summit, you're greeted by panoramic views and a sense of accomplishment. Similarly, after achieving your initial financial goal, you can focus on diversifying your income streams and building passive sources of revenue. This diversification reduces dependence on a single income source and enhances your ability to generate wealth more efficiently. Whether through investments, rental properties, or entrepreneurial ventures, passive income streams provide a steady flow of revenue, easing the journey towards financial freedom. Diversification is a critical component of a sound financial strategy, helping individuals manage risk and optimize returns. By spreading investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, individuals can mitigate the impact of market volatility and improve overall portfolio resilience. Similarly, building passive income streams through rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or royalties provides a source of ongoing revenue that requires minimal effort to maintain, freeing up time and resources for other pursuits. Finally, as you descend from the summit, a newfound confidence fills your being. Similarly, achieving the first $100,000 requires significant discipline, perseverance, and a shift in mindset. Once you've surpassed this milestone, you gain confidence in your abilities and become more comfortable with financial management and risk-taking. The psychological barriers that once loomed large now seem insignificant as you chart a course towards greater financial success. Psychological factors play a crucial role in wealth accumulation, influencing attitudes, behaviors, and decision-making processes. Overcoming limiting beliefs, cultivating a positive mindset, and setting realistic goals are essential for navigating the challenges of the financial journey. Additionally, seeking support from mentors, peers, and professional advisors can provide guidance and encouragement during times of uncertainty or adversity. In the journey towards financial success, the ascent from $0 to $100,000 is undoubtedly the most challenging. Starting from scratch, navigating a steep learning curve, and overcoming risk aversion are hurdles that must be cleared with determination and perseverance. However, once the initial milestone is achieved, subsequent milestones become more attainable. With income growth, the power of compound interest, and a diversified portfolio of income streams, the journey becomes less arduous, and the summit of financial success draws ever closer. So embrace the challenge, stay the course, and remember, the first $100,000 is the hardest, but the rewards that await make every step worthwhile. So that's it, folks. Happy investing!